YouTube! Welcome to my new little lair. Today we are doing the March Kinder box. I know it's late in the month, but honestly I only got it a couple days ago myself, and yeah, it was delivered to me like this, by the way, so yeah, that's how it came. Not thrilled with that, but I don't think it's Kinder's fault, honestly. I think it is the post office fault. But I'm in a new room today. We had a roommate move out, so I took the space over as my office. I'm going to get into a video next week about new stuff going on with the shop, but this is my new space area here. And without further ado, let's get into this box this month. I actually already know what's in this box, and honestly I'm excited to use the Palo Alto sticks to clear out the air in here. Our roommate was a smoker and other substances, so it'll be good to get the bad energy out of the room. But so we have our little card here saying what all is in the box. We'll get to that later, and the total amount of things. But the first thing we have here is a coconut cream shea butter hand and cuticle lotion by Farmhouse Fresh. So we have the box, and then, yeah, it's this stuff. Let me open it up and see how it smells. I'm actually not going to put this on right now because my skin is actually very sensitive to a lot of things. Actually, that seems like more of a reason to try it on a little bit right now. But it smells good for sure. It smells nice, and I will be really, really sad if I can't actually use this. Let's see what else in here. There is, let's see, water, soybean oil, glycerin, shea butter, sorbitol, perfume. Okay, I'm not going to list all the things because it'll take a while, but it's supposed to be 96% natural and paraben free. And as always, it's cruelty free and vegan. So I'm going to rub it into a little bit of my hand here and hope it doesn't itch like crazy. Because, like I said, I'm actually very allergic to a lot of things. Like skin allergy, not like food allergy, but God, it feels nice though. Oh my goodness, it feels nice. So I hope that this works out because my cuticles could definitely use the support. Like, I don't know, you can see that, but yeah, my hands could definitely use the support for sure. All right, second thing in our box this month is something I'm actually very excited about. Is 100% Pure's Maracuja Oil Mascara in black tea, and it's probably very dark on me. Actually, a lot of things are. I like more like the colorful ones, but like I have a blue one from Pacifica. The blacks tend to be too dark on me, but here, let's open this up and see what it looks like inside, and maybe I'll start wearing mascara on a regular basis. Yeah. But anyway, so I really like this 100% Pure's eye cream that we got from the first box, the coffee cream. So I'm hoping that this is just as good. There's a lot of packaging on that, by the way. But well, it doesn't really smell like anything, which I guess is good. But here is the wand. There we go. There's the wand. That's what that's gonna look like. And I don't have a great camera or anything yet, so I'm not gonna put it on right now. But I will wear it in my next video, and that way you can see what it looks like on me. Not that that'll help much, but yeah, you never know. Let's see. The next item is Eve Hansen Antioxidant Infusion Sheet Mask, which is always fun. I love sheet masks. Let's see. What all does this do? It's supposed to dramatically reduce skin and redness, soothe UVA sun-damaged skin, noticeably improve skin elasticity, and rejuvenate and nourish. Okay, cool. But be careful because, let's see, this has like tangerine oil and stuff in it, so I think that you need to be careful in the sun after you use it. So I guess just use it at night and it should be fine. But yeah, so Eve Hansen Natural Face Mask. I'll have to try that this weekend. My kids are actually out of school for spring break over the next week, so I have a feeling I'll need a couple spa days by the end. Okay, and here's our Palo Alto that doesn't really have anything attached to it, so let me see what it says about it in here in the little note thing. Sol makes Palo Santo, I kept calling it Palo Alto. It's Palo Santo Wood Stick Bundle. Also known as the Holy Wood, it is said to increase relaxation and bring joy and harmony into the home. Oh my goodness, we definitely need that. Whether you light them or simply place them around the house, they are certain to delight the senses. Cool. So, alright, well they don't smell like anything right now, but maybe once you light them up they smell a little bit more like something. But adding good vibes to my new workspace is definitely something that I want to achieve. Alright, let's see. There's 2 more things in here? Wow, we got a good box this week. Or this month, rather. Let's see. So we have the Kind Poppy, and it is a like a rose bath bomb, I guess. It's got baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, coconut oil, witch hazel, Epsom salt, essential oil, and flower petals. Yeah, so you can't really smell it through the plastic, but I'm sure it smells amazing, and actually I kind of love bath bombs now. Watching them just explode in my bathtub is fascinating. I love it. So yeah, gonna have this probably when I wear the sheet mask, actually. And we got one last thing in here, I think, and it is the Botanical Steam Washington Square Rose Petals, Lavender Buds, and Calendula Flowers. Cool. So you, I guess you pour this into boiling water and put like a towel over your head and just let the steam absorb into your skin. So this will be a cool thing to try. Question, you guys. Do you do the facial steam before the mask or after the mask? Because when I do this, I want to do it right. Maybe I'll do it 2 separate times. I don't know. But yeah, so that has been this month's Kinder box, the March Kinder box, and let's see how much all of this stuff is put together. So we have the Botanical Steam, which is normally goes for $22. The coconut hand cream is usually $15. So we have 22 and 15 is 37 so far. We have the bath bomb, which is $6.50. And this one actually didn't tell me which kind it was, but there were 2 different kinds of bath bombs you could get. Actually, you could get lavender or rose hibiscus. I think I got rose hibiscus because like this looks more like roses than lavender, so I think that's it. So $6.50. It doesn't actually have a price for the Eve Hansen antioxidant mask sheet, so I don't know how much that is. The Palo Santo wood is normally $4.50 for 3 pieces of wood that you burn, I guess. And the 100% pure mascara is normally $26. So the mascara alone is actually more than the box. So you're definitely getting a great deal here. So we said 26 and 5 is 31. 6 is 37, 31, 37, 38, 39, 49, 59, be 65. So 75? Like, I think $75 worth of products in here, unless my math is wrong. You guys can tell me if my math is wrong, and I can't actually check it on my phone because I am using my phone to record this video. But yeah, so lots of exciting stuff going on. I know I haven't posted What's New Wednesday videos in a while, and I will actually get to that in my next video, which I think will be my next What's New Wednesday video. So look for that next week on Wednesday, and I will tell you everything that's up. There will be some changes to my Etsy store, like new things I'm doing. I'm sort of burnt out on the knit stuff. I have other things coming up, like herbs. I'm actually studying to be a yoga instructor. I'm studying herbalism, so we have a lot of cool things coming up in that. But I hope you guys have a great day, and check me out next video. If you have gotten this far and you're not a subscriber yet, if you would please subscribe, that would be so awesome of you. And have a great week, especially if you're on spring break like my kids are. All right, bye.